When you're drawing in Affinity, whether with the pen tool, the vector block brush tool, or the regular brush tool, you might find it a little awkward or uncomfortable to draw at certain angles. If you're using a stylus on a tablet like an iPad, a pen tablet, or a laptop with a touchscreen, it's a bit easier since you can just rotate the device itself to get to the angle you're comfortable with. But when you're drawing with a mouse on a PC or laptop, that's not really an option. So let's say I pick the brush tool. Let me go to the brushes panel to select a brush. Then I'll start drawing this way with the mouse. It's not that hard. But when it comes to drawing this way, it gets a bit trickier for me. That's where canvas rotation comes in. Fortunately, Affinity has that feature, and there are a few ways to do it. The first way is to go to View in the top menu, then Rotate, and click left or right. Clicking left rotates the canvas counterclockwise, and clicking right rotates it clockwise. Now this isn't the most convenient method, since I'd have to keep going back to the menu every time. It also rotates in quite large increments, so it's hard to get it to the exact angle I want. So here's a better way. I'll head to Edit in the top menu and click Settings. Then under the Tools section on the left, I'll switch on Enable Canvas Rotation with Alt plus Scroll Wheel. I'll click here to enable it, then click Close. Now I can simply hold down Alt and scroll the mouse wheel to rotate the canvas. Scrolling up rotates it counterclockwise, and scrolling down rotates it clockwise. Let me zoom out so we can see it better. One thing worth noting, the cursor becomes the center of rotation. So wherever I place my cursor, the canvas rotates around that point. Try placing it in different spots and you'll see what I mean. Also, with this method, the canvas rotates in much smaller increments, so it's a lot easier to dial in the exact angle I need. Now if I'm working with artboards, let me switch to artboards real quick and add one more so we have two. Let me zoom out so we can see them at once. If I hold down Alt and scroll the mouse wheel, all the artboards rotate together at the same time. Now let me delete the second artboard and zoom into the first one. I'll go back to Pixel Studio and select Brush. So now when I'm drawing and it feels comfortable to go this way, and when I want to draw at a different angle, I can just rotate the canvas and keep going. And lastly, once I'm done with everything and want to reset the canvas back to its original rotation, I'll go to View menu, Rotate, and click Reset, or I'll press Ctrl Alt Shift and R. And that's everything on rotating the canvas in Affinity. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!